We implemented in 2020. What was really exciting and quite different was the ability to stabilize with Workday. It took a very short amount of time. By going big bang, implementing the number of SKUs at once, we were able to start moving forward with executing on some of our talent strategies. We have been really excited about what we've been able to do with Workday, primarily around having one book of record and also having a single source of truth, not having to connect dots between different technologies, different talent systems, learning systems, etc. It's all in one place. The result of that is that businesses can leverage real-time data quickly across talent, learning, payroll, etc., to make real-time business decisions. Having one common architecture within Workday enables our teams to think strategically about how we execute business change in a way that's more agile. From a privacy and a risk perspective, it really improves the way you can ensure you are meeting the needs of both your employees and from a compliance perspective, ensuring that data is used effectively. Our teams can spend more time thinking about how to drive the employee experience we're looking for. A company that's thinking about implementing Workday should not be afraid of a big bang approach. You actually improve the employee experience by going all at once. Instead of employees feeling the slow drip of an implementation of one technology and then another, you have the opportunity to think about your change management in an integrated way. The platform enables us to feel confidence that as legislation changes, Workday evolves with it to ensure we're always compliant. We can work with Workday to continue to drive continuous improvement, and that enables us to continue to digitize, continue to leverage new and emerging technologies like generative AI in partnership with Workday.
We did just complete the largest acquisition in Canadian banking history. We needed to prep thousands and thousands of pieces of technology, and there's key information that you need on those employees in order to enable that. And that information needs to sit in BMO systems. Real-time data integrations are a huge win. Within each of the centers of expertise that we have in HR, them having access to real-time data around compensation, performance, is very important to run an efficient HR business. Workday gave us the flexibility to do the things that we needed to do to get to our conversion day successfully. Having access to data and being able to share it across our HR team in ways that they could use it to support the business, provide insights, and drive some key business decisions was really important. With our deployment of Prism Analytics, one of the first problems we were trying to solve for was how do we bring in the history from our previous systems so that we could do trending analysis. You can extract data from these non-Workday systems, you can convert it through Prism, combine it with the existing data in Workday, and it all looks like one set of data. So as we're trying to build metrics out, both for running the business, but also to share with managers down the entire spine of the organization, Prism was a critical enabler to that. It's enabling our HR business partners to look at their data and understand it in a way that maybe they wouldn't have if they didn't have the visualizations and some of the underlying data that created it. Being able to create an application with Workday Extend is a game changer. It's important because you can create these new experiences and have it look and feel to the employee or the manager like it's native Workday. You're creating a harmonized experience on a single platform. We ended up creating an Extend app to ask our employees to share some diversity information if they choose to. We put it all in one form. So they had one place to go, they could share it, and then we could push it back into where it needed to go in Workday seamlessly and real time. Just a simplified experience to make it easier to engage. Workday has delivered on its promise. Having all of our data accessible in one place, we see the efficiency and we see the ability for us to be agile. We made the right decision to go with Workday.
The banks play a huge role societally in terms of being able to help an economy do what it needs to do. If you're a leader, you've got to be able to embrace technology and figure out how to leverage it. You have to really understand your marketplace and your customers, and you have to be able to make sure that you are delivering the products that the marketplace needs. One of the best decisions we made was to go with a technology platform that gives us the breadth of functionality across all HR disciplines, and that it's part of an integrated platform, allows us the flexibility that we need. We all talk the same language. We're leveraging core elements of the core architecture of Workday in the same way. We have an approach that it's Workday first. It provides an agility, from a speed and a flexibility perspective. We have a strong, integrated, robust platform with good data integrity. It creates an opportunity for us to be able to identify where there could be niche opportunities of things that we want to be able to add to the ecosystem that may be unique to us in banking, or the unique way that we want to do HR. When we were on the journey to thinking about whether Workday would be the right platform for us, very early on, we were focused on ethical AI. So as we've moved into this new, hot topic of generative AI, it's been reinforcing of that decision. They're pragmatic and practical, moving with pace, but responsible. And we'll move in the generative AI space where it makes sense, as long as we can see what it is and what it's doing, and it's being used in applications and processes with the right rigor and human in the loop, always. I have every confidence that as emerging trends happen in the marketplace, Workday will continue to evolve those offerings for us to be able to take advantage of if they fit for us, and Workday will help us get there.